Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a content calendar in Clickup. Let's get started. First, go to your web and search for clickup.com. Once you're here, click on the login button and enter your details. Now once you've logged in, you will be directed to your Clickup dashboard. Now once you're here, on the left side of the screen, you will see the list of your spaces. Go to the project that you want to add a content calendar. Click the three dots, list settings. A pop-up window will show. Click on templates. Then, click on browse templates. Now, type in calendar. ClickUp will give you lots of templates. You can choose whatever you want in here. Click Quick Cues. Now, ClickUp will integrate this to your project space. Now, once it is integrated into your theme space, you can start customizing it. Just go to the settings and edit the due date, start date, the market, duration, and the assignee. And that's it. That's how you create a content calendar in ClickUp. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.